So I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful thumbnail like this in YouTube that's going to attract more views to your video. Sometimes YouTube shows your video to people, but your thumbnail doesn't attract them, so you don't get more clicks through it. So I'm going to show you how to design this in Canva. So make sure you come to templates and search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay. So as you can see in the suggestions over here, I'll just pick that one, and then I will start from a blank page. So our page has been created. So I'll go ahead and then add my image. I want to create the thumbnail for this particular design over here. I want to use this design as my background also. So I'll click on it, right click, and select image as background. Okay. And I want to blur this image. So in order to do that, I'll go to edit and then image. It is the image I want to blur, not the whole page. So I'll click on see all and then go to blur. Then select whole image. So I just blur it to 50 is okay. Then I'll go back. And I want this image to stand out, so I'll give it a stroke. So come to stroke over here. 5 is okay. So I'll change the stroke color. I want something yellow, so I'll go to add color and change it to something like this. Let's make it more brighter. Yeah, I think this is okay. Let's increase it a little bit. Now let's add our text. So go to text and add a heading. And let's add our text. And let's change the font. Now let's add a shape as a background for the text. So head to elements, add a shape. Let's change the color to the color in the design over here. That's great. And let's give it a stroke as well. So select the shape and also the image over here. Then go to corner rounding, set it to 20 is cool. Then go to elements and then look for Canva logo. Just type for Canva logo, then add it to the design. So this is the final result, as simple as this. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and look for more videos.